23.
3200 block of Business 98. Come here.
What I did now?
Huh?
What I did?
I don't know. What are you
I
doing?
ain't did nothing. I'm just walking going home.
Where's home at?
My place is down the road. I'm not bothering nobody.
Okay. You got any ID on you?
I left my ID at home.
Okay. Well, just give me your name.
Man, why y'all gotta harass me for?
We're not harassing nobody.
I'm just doing my job. I'm going home.
What's your job?
I'm walking down the road minding my business. I ain't bothering nobody.
Okay. Well,
I'm trying to get home.
it's 12 o'clock at night, and when we see people out that we don't recognize, we get it.
I'm walking by myself. I don't bother nobody.
Okay. Give her your name and your date of birth.
My name is Solomon E. Smith III. I'm not for to be bothered with this stuff. This is works of the devil. That's all it is. I'm not doing nothing, sir.
Okay.
I'm minding my business. I don't bother nobody. I'm quiet. I stick to myself.
Okay.
Mr. Eastman, how do I spell your first name?
SOLOMON.
SOLOMO.
ON.
I know it. Okay.
For no reason. That ain't no probable cause when y'all do stuff like that. They bother me. I can't even go nowhere.
Okay. Well, I don't know who you are.
I gotta clean it up.
Okay, I don't know who you are. So it's 12 o'clock at night. You're out here walking.
I'm minding my business though.
Okay,
I ain't hurt nobody. It should not be no problem. I'm minding my business. You should not be doing. I'm not doing that to nobody. I ain't hurt nobody. I ain't commit no crime.
I never said you did.
Why are y'all coming at me like that?
Because
I'm not doing that.
It's 12 o'clock at night, and at 12 o'clock at night, most people are at home in bed.
Minding my business. Coming from my friend's house. That's the problem. Okay. That's why you can't do me like that.
Whether you believe this or not, okay?
I'm good.
You're in the area that's known for a lot of drug activity and prostitution, okay? All right, so I don't know who you are, so I'm going to get out and I'm going to identify you. And if you're good to go, you're going to be on your way and you can go home and do whatever you want to do.
I'm not for the argue with y'all because it takes too long. I got clean work. I'm not for the argue.
Okay.
I got Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ will back me up.
Okay, that's fine.
Don't do that.
All right.
I don't like people all in my business.
Okay.
I don't deal with people. No reason.
I'll call you right back. Bye.
Why y'all paying to let people go? Find somebody else for me.
Mr. Eastman, what's your social?
says nothing.
So, Mr. Smith, why did you tell me your last name was Eastman?
Well, it ain't no crime.
What's his, what, he didn't give us the right name? What's his name?
His name is Solomon Smith.
Okay.
My name is Solomon Smith. Yeah, but you ain't asked me all that.
Okay.
You asked me what's my name.
All right, turn around. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Turn
I
around.
did.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your
I'm
back.
sorry.
Put your hands behind your back.
Ma'am.
Turn around.
Please give me a chance. Please.
Turn around.
Please.
Turn around.
I'm trying to go home.
Turn around now.
I'm trying to go home, please.
Get on the ground.
Will you give me a chance?
No.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Explain.
I will tase your ass. Turn around now.
Why you doing me like that?
Turn around.
I'm not did nothing to you.
Turn around.
Why you doing this to me?
Turn around now.
Why are you doing this to me?
Turn around.
I'm gonna call the people on you.
You call whoever you want. Turn around.
I got people that would do something to you.
Okay, that's
Don't
fine.
hit me.
Turn around.
Don't bother me.
Turn around.
If you work with me, I will tell you the truth.
I'm tired of talking to you.
Listen, please,
Can we get
please,
255?
please give me a chance.
Turn around.
Please give me a chance.
Turn around.
I'm trying to go home. I'm trying to go home. Please. Please.
Turn around.
Please.
Turn around. Turn around now.
Baby, will you just give me a chance to talk to you?
Put your hands behind your back.
I ain't doing nothing though.
Turn around.
I'm on the wrist.
Put your hands behind your back.
Yes, I'm on the wrist though. I'll just ask you a question. Yes, I'm on the wrist. Please.
You're going to be. Turn around. Turn around.
Man.
Don't you.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm gonna call my mom.
Get your hands out of your pocket.
I'm call my mama.
Back
Keep
up.
your hands.
I'm calling
Back up.
my mama. Will you please let me call my mama and she
No.
identify me?
I will take care of that in a minute.
Please.
Turn around. This is your last chance. Turn around.
I'm trying to do what's right.
Turn around, I said.
I'm trying to do what's right. You can't do me like this.
Turn around.
The victim is a victim. You cannot do me like
Turn around.
Don't put your hands on me. You cannot do me like this. I'm trying to get home.
I said turn around now. You need to stay out of this.
Look.
You need to stay out of this.
No, come here. I need.
Come here. Turn around.
Jody.
Put your hands behind your back now. Put your hands
Wait,
behind.
he gonna talk to you.
No, he ain't.
Yeah, he is.
Put your hand.
He's my good.
Turn around.
I'm a good people.
Turn around.
He is my good people. Jody, come here.
No. Turn around. No.
He gonna take me home, please.
No.
Please. You got to work with me.
No, I ain't got to work with you.
Listen, I'm not.
I said turn.
With you.
I said turn around.
Man, y'all don't mess with me.
Hey, don't move now. Stop now.
Man, what's up? What's up, man?
Get on the ground.
You heard my back.
Get on the ground, bro.
Man,
Kill me.
Man,
Get him go.
Stop, please.
There you go.
Jolie, come get me. It hurt, man. It hurt my wrist.
Give me your other hand.
It hurt my wrist.
Give me your other hand.
Please, it hurt
Hold
my
on.
wrist. All right.
Your other arm. Your other arm, now!
I did.
Now.
Your other arm! Come on!
All right. Shit. It hurt my feet, man.
Well, you wouldn't be hurting if you stopped resisting.
I'm sorry.
Relax. Just relax.
I'm trying to get home, please. I'm trying to get home. Please. Could I talk to y'all then?
Nope, not no more. Time for talking's over with.
Man, please let me talk to you, sir. Can I talk to you, sir? Can I talk to you, sir? Please.
7
Brother, you had
Springfield.
your chance to talk.
I'm trying to tell y'all the truth, though.
Taser deployed.
I'm trying to tell you the truth, though.
10-15. Blackmail.
Let me get up then. You hurt my feet. You hurt my feet. Let me pull my pants off.
We're going to pull them up for you.
I'm sorry. Listen, will you please talk to me? Will you please listen, can I talk to you?
Hold still.
Brother, you had the chance to talk.
I'm trying to tell you, I'm sorry, sir.
Why'd you have to go this route?
I'm sorry, please. Officer, you gotta believe me, I'm sorry.
I believe that you're sorry, Bubba. But Dave, you didn't have to go this route.
I'm sorry. If they would've, I would've told them the truth. If they would've let me tell them, please.
Is that hurting?
Yeah.
Alright, hold still.
Oh, gotcha.
It's right here in the front. It's stuck in his shirt.
I'm sorry.
7 Springfield.
I'm sorry. Please.
Can I have EMS this location and check him out, please?
I'm sorry.
I got pliers.
Routine.
I'm sorry.
Get his phone.
Sorry.
You can, whenever we get done, you can put him in the back of our car. Shit.
That other barn had
What's up with this?